English phrases explained. Swimming lesson. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, swimming lesson. Whether you're a beginner or advanced English learner, understanding this phrase is key to enhancing your language skills. So, let's get started. Swimming lesson refers to a training session or a class where an individual is taught how to swim. This phrase is commonly used in English-speaking countries and is associated with learning to swim safely and effectively. Key components. Swimming. This is the act of moving through water using one's body. Lesson, a period of learning or teaching. Everyday conversations. I'm taking my daughter to her swimming lesson this afternoon. Do you offer private swimming lessons for adults? Formal contexts. Swimming lessons are a vital part of our school's physical education curriculum. The community center offers free swimming lessons every summer. Swimming lessons are not just about learning to swim. They are crucial for safety and building confidence in the water. They can also be a fun, social activity for people of all ages. Benefits. Safety. Reduces the risk of drowning by teaching essential water safety skills. Health. Swimming is a great form of exercise for overall fitness. Social skills. Group lessons can help in developing teamwork and communication skills. That's all for our discussion on swimming lesson. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding this common English phrase. Remember, whether it's for safety, health, or fun, swimming lessons are an invaluable experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.